Hello internet friends. In this video I'm continuing to get organized in the hangar by replacing the legs on my table that I made out of my fuselage crate, and that's the crate that Vans shipped all the my fuselage parts in. And I built a table out of it because plywood now is worth $8 million. So I figured, why throw away that much plywood, and maybe I could make it useful. This is reminding me that, oh, so news, yes, I think I missed in the last video to report news. So my wings are coming. So Vans emailed me a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and they said, hey, your wings are available, and pay us so you can get a crating date. And my crating date is like April something. So anyway, wings are on their way. So I'm excited because then we can get all of this together. And then the only thing left is the finishing kit, which is the landing gear, so I can actually, put the plane on wheels. Which reminds me, I need to buy some wheels. But I can do that when I actually get the landing gear to put the wheels on. I guess maybe I'll build another table. I don't know how big the wing crate is gonna be, but if it's big enough, maybe I'll build another table. I guess we'll see. It wasn't that hard to build the table. Now I have an idea of how to build it. So anyway, this is a problem for like a month or two from now. I also need more storage, because where am I going to put all of the wing parts? Again, I should probably build another table, because it's actually pretty useful to have that storage area underneath the table. Yeah. And this is me just thinking out loud in front of everyone, trying to figure out, normal problems of, physical space of where do I actually put all this stuff. Now, it's a lot more convenient being in the hangar as far as space goes, because look at all the space that I have available compared to the garage, where, cars had to be sacrificed and put outside to make that work. And again, I need to figure out a way to take advantage of the volume of like the upper level of the hangar, because the hangar's like, I don't know, 25 feet tall, 30 feet tall. It's pretty voluminous. If there was a way for me to store things hanging from the rafters or something like that, would, I don't know that I need to store anything. Like, I don't know what I would store there. Anyway, I mean, wing crates or engine, I guess. I don't know. We'll figure that out. What I really need is to put the lights up. So I have, I don't know, 6 of the LED shop lights, and I'm sorry that, everyone's getting blinded by this work light right now, including me. Having the lights at eye level really isn't ideal. I really want them hanging above and then shooting down so I don't get blinded. So I need to figure out a way to put the lights up there. And it's really too tall for a ladder, so I need to find a lift. If anyone at Boulder City has a lift on the airport, a scissor lift, yeah, let's talk. I know there's like a Sunbelt Rentals down the street. Maybe I'll go rent a lift for a day. But if anyone just has one sitting around in the hangar, that maybe I'll ask around and see if they do. One of the FBOs has to have one. Actually, there's only one FBO at there's 2. So the city has one, and actually the city owns the hangar. Maybe I should ask them. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So I need to figure out a way to put the lights up in the hangar. I did go out to the hangar yesterday because it rained, and before I was concerned because before we moved anything in, it had rained. Of course, it rains like 2 times a year in Vegas, but it was flooded pretty badly. Luckily, I don't think it was flooded in any of the places where I have parts, but on the other side of the hangar, it was flooded, and I was concerned because right now I have my part of my fuselage, my forward fuselage assembly, sitting on the ground, which is bad, right? I don't want it sitting in a puddle of water. So soon I'll probably put that up on the rolling table, so then I won't have any parts on the ground. So if it does flood, it won't be as big of a problem. and it really wasn't, there wasn't like standing water. It was like puddles, but maybe like, a centimeter deep puddle. So it was, you don't want to have something sitting in there. And I actually just dried it all out by pushing it out with a broom and the leaf blower and then my giant fan. So anyway, hopefully I don't have more of a problem like that. Anyway, if you want to come chat about building RVs, come join our Slack group. The link is in the video description. And I will see you in the next video.